This is program for the if else statement problem. So this is after flowchart. We are writing this program. So first line is comment. So it is calculation of gross salary. So that is comment. Then main. So this is a compulsory function. Now the loop starts. Not loop, but the bracket is starting. Now third line is float bs comma gs comma da comma hra and semicolon. So bs gs, that is basic salary, gross salary, da and hra, so these are floats because they have decimal point, so they are float. So we are defining that these are floats. Now printf. So now we are printing enter basic salary. So printf enter basic salary semicolon. So here we are asking user that to enter that BA, that is basic salary. Now scanf %f, that is float, comma ampersand BS and semicolon. So scanf %f comma ampersand BS. So which is float, BS is float. Now if BS is less than 1500, so if BS is less than 1500, then that loop starts that HRA is equal to BS star 10 into 10 divided by 100, so 10% of BS. So in if statement, basic salary BS is less than 1500, so in bracket HRA is equal to BS, that is basic salary, multiplied by star, that is multiplied 10 divided by 100, so 10% of basic salary. Now DA is equal to basic salary multiplied by 90 divided by 100, so 90% of basic salary. Now the else statement starts. So else ELSE, then that bracket again is opening. HRA is equal to 500. So this is else statement. So HRA is 500 semicolon. Then DA is equal to BS, that is basic salary, star, that is multiplied by 98 divided by 100 and semicolon. So DA is basic salary, 98% of basic salary. Now we have both these statements, that is if statements we have written and else statement also we have written. So in if statement there were certain conditions like HRA was 10% of basic salary and DA was 90% of basic salary. So in if statement it was like this, and in else statement HRA was 500 and DA was 98% of basic salary. So that was in else statement. So if and else statement part is now completed. Now gross salary, that is GS. So GS is equal to, in next line we are writing GS is equal to BS plus HRA so BS plus HRA plus DA. So this is a formula, or we can say that is a addition of basic plus HRA plus DA, that is gross salary. Now we have gross salary stored as a float. Now we have to print that gross salary. So for printing we do printf function. So printf gross salary is equal to rupees dot %f comma gs, that is printf gross salary. So we are printing gross salary, that is %f because it is float. So we are printing gross salary comma gs because gs is gross salary. And now that bracket is closed, which was a bracket of main function, so it is closed, and that is the whole program.